Hello everyone, my name is Ruchi Bindal. Today my topic is lenses. This is chapter number 7 in Maharashtra Board's books, Science 1, and this is just the basics of chapter light in ICSE books. Right? What is lens? A lens is a transparent medium bound by two surfaces. Right? It is bound by two surfaces. Everybody has heard the word lens. Sometimes it is used to magnify the persons who are repairing their watches. They use their glasses to see the small tiny parts of the watches. Now what are uh, types of lenses? There are two types of lenses. The first is convex and second is concave. See, can you see this? What is convex lens? This is just a thicker, this is just a middle, you can say puffed up, right? And here it is concave lens, which is thinner from the middle, and at the edges it is not. See, what is the definition of convex lens? Convex lens is also said to be the converging lens. Why it is converging lens? Because all the rays after striking the surface meet at a point. When it is meet at a point, then it is said to be the converging, right? So lens which is puffed up outward in the middle is called convex lens. This is thicker near the center as compared to the edges. As you can see, this is thicker at the center as compared to the edges, right? Now concave lens. What is concave lens? The lens which is spherical inside is called a concave or double concave or diverging. What is the meaning of diverging lens? When the light rays are just going to strike the surface, then they are going to scatter in all the direction. This means it is called as diverging lens. This is thinner at the center as compared to the edges. This is thinner at the center as compared to the edges. Now how they are going to make? We are just going to do that also. See here, there are two surfaces, S1 and S2. There are two spheres, you can say, spherical surfaces, right? This is the C1 as the center of this sphere, and this is C2. This is the center of the sphere 2, right? When they intersect each other, this is the cross-section part, right? This cross-section part is a part, this is called as convex lens. This is known as radius of this sphere, and this is radius of this sphere, which is R2, right? That we will study afterwards. This is called as convex lens. This is concave lens, where this is sphere 1 and sphere 2. When they don't intersect each other, right? And the part which is in between them, right? This makes an concave lens. Here it is also center 1, center 2. This is C1 as the center of this sphere. This is C2 as the center of the sphere 2. This A, B, C, D is known as concave lens, right? As I told you, convex lens is said to be the converging lens, and concave lens is called as diverging lens. Now some important terms which we are using in this. First is center of curvature. What is center of curvature? The center of spheres whose parts form surfaces of lenses are called center of curvature of lenses, right? As I showed you now, only the spheres whose centers is C1 and C2, those are called center of curvature, which is represented by C, right? The second is radius of curvature. Radius, I showed you, radii R1 and R2 of the spheres whose parts form the surfaces of the lenses are called as radii of curvature of the lenses, right? The next is, what is principal axis? The principal axis is the imaginary line passing through the center of curvature is called principal axis of the line, which joins the center of both the spheres, right? This line is just an imaginary line which we are just imagine for our ray diagrams and all, right? Now, what is optical center? The optical center is the point made inside a lens on the principal axis through which light rays passes without changing their path is called optical center. I will show you in the next diagram what is optical center, which is represented by O. Right? The optical center is inside the lens through which that imaginary line passes through. Right? And the optical center, at all the rays of light just strike at that, then it doesn't deviate, right? They without changing their path. And the last important term, which is known as principal focus. The principal focus means after incident on the convex lens, the beam of light converges to the point on the principal axis. This point is called as principal focus of the lens. This is represented by letter F. Right? After incident means, see here, you can see all the rays of light when strike the convex lens, then they are going to meet at a point. Right? This point is called as principal focus. Right? This is both the sides, because this one is the part of sphere 1 and this one is the part of sphere 2. Right? So the same distance here also it is principal focus, and the right side also it is principal focus. Right? So that's why I have shown you F1 and F2. This is for convex lens. Here also, this is also of principal focus. Here F1 and here F2, for which this is the part of the lens for which this is sphere, this is F1. For this sphere, it is F2. But as I told you, the concave lens is known as the diverging lens. When the beam of light just pass through, then they deviates, then they changes their path. So we just imagine that they just go backward to meet at a point. This is also called the principal focus of the lens. Right? This is principal focus. At the same distance on the right hand side also, there will be the principal focus. This is called as optical center. Right? The point, this is called as optical center. The distance between this optical center and this principal focus is known as focal length. That we will be doing in the another videos or another explanation. So I think I have tried my level to explain you the important terms which we are using for the chapter lens. Thank you everybody.